How to get Pocket Option discount code. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get Pocket Option promo codes in 2023. If this video helps you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. So let's get started. If you are on the Pocket Option app right now, and you want to save some money on checkout, then what you can do is go to the browser and search for Pocket Option promo code. Click on this link right here. And we can see here the active coupons currently on Pocket Option. If we select a coupon in here, a tab will open. The coupon code is now visible. Remember the code and type it upon checkout on the Pocket Option. You can see here all the available coupons are now visible. So try what's best for your current payment, and if this site coupons doesn't work for you, let's go back to the Google again. And select this link right here. It is almost the same as the last one, just click here to see the coupon. And click here to copy the code to your clipboard. Once again, go back to the app and paste this code upon checkout. And that's how you get Pocket Option promo codes in 2023. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.